Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. And today we're doing a quick comparison between RefreshMe and Expensify. We want to see which of these expense tracker wins. Are you tired of chasing receipts in 2025? Well, RefreshMe and Expensify both claim to simplify expense tracking, but which one actually delivers? Let's settle this in a few seconds. When you look at who or what they're best for, RefreshMe is best for freelancers and small teams, while Expensify is best for medium to large businesses. When you look at receipt scanning, RefreshMe is AI powered and has instant OCR, while Expensify has smart scan, which is accurate but slower. When you look at automation, RefreshMe auto-categorizes expenses, while Expensify has advanced rule-based workflows. When we look at integrations, RefreshMe works with major banks and QuickBooks, while Expensify has 100 plus apps, integrates with 100 plus apps like NetSuite and Xero and more. When you look at user experience, RefreshMe is super clean and minimalistic, while Expensify is feature-rich but complex. When we look at pricing, RefreshMe has a free plan plus $8 per month pro plan, while Expensify starts at $10 per month and is cheaper for teams. Let's look at the unique perk. You see, RefreshMe has real-time spending alerts, while Expensify has corporate card reconciliation. So in conclusion, RefreshMe keeps it simple and speedy, while Expensify packs heavy-duty tools for bigger teams. If you need quick personal tracking, RefreshMe should be your choice. If you're running a corporate budget, Expensify. For solopreneurs, RefreshMe wins. For enterprises, Expensify rules. So which one is your match? Drop a comment, hit like and subscribe for more app showdowns. See you in the next one.